Hey everyone, Tim Uchuk here. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the Perfect Week app, starting with our dashboard, which is a 30,000 foot view to show you the most important things and what makes this app a little bit different. It's the link between what you can see here, your goals. So these here are goals. Let's just zoom in. So your goals, and then within your goals, you have projects. So here's a goal, 15% net profit, and then here are projects related to that goal. And within projects, you have outcomes. So it allows you to drill down and always make your goals top of mind, front facing, and understand the linkage so that the things you're working on each week ties directly back to what's most important. So your goals, which are vehicles to help you move forward towards your future self vision. The other thing is you don't have to think about the timeline of your goals because you can always extend goals into the future, but they automatically are time boxed by quarter. This allows you to see with the Pace Bunny how you're doing overall with your goals in relation to how much time is left in the quarter. So that's kind of the major unlock of this feature is the goals and the projects. And then you'll see the link to your tasks. So right here is your tasks in the middle. And if I click on one project, you'll see it's automatically going to filter by this project. So I can go new task, and you'll see it's going to add and automatically link back to the project. And I click here and we're right back where we started. Underneath goals, if I click here, you'll see habits. Habits here, you can create like a daily startup routine, for example. Morning, let's say morning, eat, work, as an example. Your habits are front facing every morning as well. So this is your 30,000 foot view. There's a few other features such as a gallery here where you can add pictures of your family, your vision board, things that you want to aspire and work towards. And there's also a dashboard view here as well. On the right-hand side, you've got resources. So again, if we click on a project, you can add linked resources. So links or pages. So here's a page for that resource automatically. So when you click into the project, everything's visible for you. Your bullet journal lives right here. So daily log or priorities for the day. This will automatically always update to today's date. And you can view by the day, by the week, by the month, so that you can see all your notes in one place. So that's kind of the core premise of the app, is to give you that 30,000 foot view. So everything kind of links together. Then if you want to look at only your tasks, you can see your tasks right here. There's a couple unique features, one being see your procrastinations at a glance. So this is the length of time that your tasks have been open from oldest to most recent. So you can see we got some stragglers here, 31 to 90 days. And if I click on this, it's going to show me where are the tasks I've been putting off and procrastinating so I can take action. There is some further subtle shaming here where your older tasks have a little cobweb on them for a visual reminder on the things you've been putting off. So this is task aging to quickly and easily see your procrastinations. And then one of the core kind of unlocks here is this top 3 widget. So I can pick only up to 3 tasks here per day. Let's do these 2. And then if I click focus, everything else is going to disappear here. So that is the focus mode. And goals, you can view only your goals in this view. Your habits, everything we went through in the dashboard exists in a single view, but this is your primary kind of central command right here. And the best place to start is to create one goal, and within that goal, create one project, and within that project, define what done looks like for the quarter. And then from here, you can either create a task from here or a project, right? It'll link to that project. Or if you want to create a task straight from one of these outcomes here, the benefit is if I click here, when I complete this task, because it's linked to this outcome here, it's going to check off the outcome as well automatically. So if you're doing like a website launch, for example, some of these outcomes might be really small, so you can just create a task straight from it. Some of them might require a number of tasks to accomplish the outcome. So that's the reason behind that. So with that, and again, remember you can expand these like this. With that, good luck getting in. Again, create your first goal, first project. That's the best place to get started, and we'll see you in the next video.